It is May 2021 right now. It's been a really busy month. When I reflect about how I started this channel a year ago and where it brought me, I am truly glad something so simple could give me so much purpose and also joy. So I live in the suburbs. Things are very, very boring. I do not like to go on social media, however. I grew up in the city where all the excitement was around me. And so all I have to do is just take the bus, a subway, a cab, and I'm in all kinds of different places and have different things to do. So that was my life when I was growing up and as a young person as well. When I started a family, I lived in the suburbs, in a small town first and in the suburbs. So I really unplugged so that I could finish the job of raising my children. So one of the things that came out of that was learning how to appreciate the moment rather than feeling trapped or thinking as a sentence that I have to do because it's a duty for me to raise my children. I wanted to have a life where I could enjoy raising my children as well as have everyday joy, no matter the circumstances. So simple daily joy didn't just come about, off the cuff. It's a life of much practice, and I'm still on it. And maybe putting it out there as a message, um, kind of reinforce that's the journey I want to be spending for the rest of my life as well. I am someone who loves to be productive. I love to be extremely active in what I do. What does that mean? It's not means that I'm multitasking all the time, but I like my life to be full. And also, I know myself. Um, it is not difficult to get caught up in all kinds of things that do not bring me joy and do not forward my life. So I've been there many times, and it's not something I want to waste my time in. If you know my life story, if you continue following this channel or listen to these videos, you'll soon realize, because of my life experiences and lessons I've learned, I really do not like wasting this beautiful life that I've been given. Um, Beautiful not because I've been given everything I want, beautiful in the sense that I have life. I can see, I can hear, I can feel, I can experience many things. The ability to feel things deeply. I mean, that's the human gift that God has given all of us. You can turn those ashes into beauty, and you can share lots of joy when you experience it. So, designing things is not something that I've done for a great part of my life, especially in the last 20 years. A lot of things and energies and even creative has been in making a home for my family. Um, so, but before the kids came, there was a season in my life where I just let myself be immersed in the creative. And I remember one season when I did a lot of writing and I was working on a memoir. And I was wondering myself, why did I want to do work on a memoir, especially when I was very young then in my late 20s? But I needed to finish that story in my life to proceed to the new one. And I remember thinking, like, to do this well, I need an editor to give me the tough stuff to help me make it a really good story, even if it doesn't ever become a bestseller. So there is the phrase that I took to is when the student is ready, the teacher will show up. So for me, when that memoir was being written in manuscript, a Canadian woman about my age just showed up we were in the coaching field then, when I mentioned to her my interest to do a memoir, um, she took to the job of just editing my work, which I'm forever grateful for. And so, why do I start this channel? I think it's people like them, like her, that have me want to share just anything that's good, that's worthy, that's excellent, that lifts a human soul and spirit. Anything that's that I want to share. I'm not a painter that paints amazing art that's make you stop in your tracks. But I do know that I, like everybody, like you are created for a reason. You're created for uh, a beautiful purpose. You're given life for a beautiful purpose. And it is our mission, my job to find out what is it that we're created for and to bring whatever that we've learned in our journey and bring whatever that is beautiful and good and to share with the world. And so this is my journey, my simple daily joy. So never would I've expected a year ago that I'll be doing something like this, but I'm ready. How long will I continue doing this? I do not know, but I know that this brand, this message will always be a part of me and continue, even as I may move on to take on new projects later on in my life. So I'm not even sure if this is a recording that other people subscribe to my channel want to watch or know more about, but here goes. Thank you for your subscriptions, though. Um, I, my wish and my prayer is that it will inspire you to find your simple joy every day.